Bây giờ chị có nghe em chưa ạ?
Nhưng mà vẫn không được thôi, phải học bằng điện thoại vậy thôi. Để chị được xem sau. Con ra phòng bên kia. Ngồi bàn cấn của mẹ nhá.
Mama. Wait me.
Okay. Okay, now your name is Steve.
Okay.
Okay, so I will call you Steve.
Okay.
How old are you, Steve?
I am 10 years old.
Wow, you're 10 years old. So, wow, so you're 10 years old. All right. Okay, can we start?
Yes.
All right. So, you, so can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Okay. I study at Chankas Primary School.
Okay.
I like pizza and fast food. And I like orange juice.
Wow, that's a lot of food. And
I like playing football and many sports.
so you're playing sport? Are you playing football?
Yes.
Wow. So what are other sports you're playing? Are you playing soccer? No, football, soccer, or those are the same? Volleyball? Are you playing volleyball?
No, I don't like.
Oh, you don't like. Okay. Now, my name is Trump. I will be your teacher. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready for the lesson?
Yes.
But before we start our lesson, I want to make some rules. So there's no eating in our class, no eating in our class, but you can drink, of course. And okay, so if we listen, when I say listen, when I put my hands on my ear, so I want to listen to what you say. So when I say, then I'll put my finger like this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. So welcome to Untitled class. So the lesson is about saying hello. Do you want to have a friend? Maybe. Steve, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, so today this is our friend and I want to make something different. If you do good, do you want him to get some tip? Do you want him to get some tip? Okay, so if you do good, I will put a tip right here. Okay? For correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
That's good. All right. So what are different ways to say hello and hi? Do you know what other ways to say? So we usually say
We use good morning to in the morning. We use good evening for the night. We use good afternoon in the afternoon.
Okay, that's good. So we usually say hi and hello when we see someone. So now we can use good morning when you see your friend, like when you see a duck. Okay, so you say good morning to duck, right? And
Okay.
if you see your friend in the afternoon, you will say good afternoon. So you don't have to use hi or hello. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So can you use the can you use to say okay, can you use one of these words to say to me? To say hello to me in a different way?
Good evening.
That's good. Good evening. That's right. Good evening. So how about tomorrow? If you see a friend,
Good morning.
good job. All right. So have you got a notebook and a pen?
My notebooks and my pens is on the my bedroom.
Okay. So the next lesson, I want you to have a notebook and a pen so you can write down everything. Okay, so just to make sure this word, how do you pronounce this word?
Easy.
Use. Use.
You
That's right.
use.
Use. Don't forget
Use.
the S. Use. That's good.
Use.
That's good. Okay, next. So how often do you say goodbye to someone, to your
I
friend?
say goodbye.
Goodbye. Do you use other different ways to say goodbye to your friend?
See you later.
I'll see you later. That's a good expression. But today I'm going to give you some other ways to say goodbye. Bye. It's very simple. And see you later. See you later. And see you tomorrow. So these are expressions when you say goodbye to someone. Okay. So I want you to use one of these words or phrases to tell me when we finish our lesson. Can you do that? Can you do that?
Okay.
Okay, remember that. Now, goodbye, friend. Hello, friend. You need one.
Goodbye. See you again.
No, why don't we use different phrases that we have learned earlier? Okay. So, Steve, you're moving.
Okay.
Okay. Take a seat. All right. Okay, Steve, I want you to look at the picture and tell me what you see in the picture. You have 1 minute.
I see a man is wearing sunglasses.
Good job. And
I see a cow. A boy is sitting on the chair and he is watching alien.
he's watching aliens. Oh, that's so scary. Okay. Now, how many children are there in the playground?
There are 6. No, there are 7.
Okay, there are 7. Let me see. Okay, I will show you how many children are. Oh, there are only 6. Can you tell me why there are only 6 students or children in this playground?
Okay.
Why there are only 6? But you told me it's 7. 1, 2. Oh! Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's still 7 children in the class. I know in the playground, sorry.
No, 7.
7. Okay. We'll look at the next question. What is the building that's behind the children?
Can you repeat?
What is the building that's behind the children? Wait, I will put this. What is this building? Can you tell me what is the building?
They are building school.
Oh, you can say it's a school. It's a school, right?
You're a school.
Yes, it's very simple when you just want to say something like this. It is a school. So if we put in this way, sometimes you will see this and we often read in this way. Is a school, right? One more time.
Yes.
Is a school. Okay.
Is a school.
Is a school. That's good. Now number 3. The school. How many grown-ups can you see? Grown-ups. Do you?
Robot.
No, grown-ups. Do you know a person?
I can see.
How
I
many?
can see
One.
one.
That's good.
Yes.
So now can you tell me in the first question, you told me there are 7 children. But in this picture, we only have 7 people. If we have 7 children, which means there will be 8 people in the class, in the playground. So, how many children are there in the playground? You want me to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
6. And who is the grown-up?
She is.
She is, I think, a man. The man is wearing the glasses. He is the grown-up.
Okay.
Okay. Now, only one grown-up. Do you think she is a teacher?
Yes, I think she is teacher.
Yes, I think so. Okay, yes, I think so. That's correct. Now let's see.
Sky.
Okay. Now let's learn some vocabulary. Sky. Sky. Can you say that? Sky. Sky.
Sky.
That's good. Next. Okay.
Sky.
Sky. And second, can you see the
Seat.
Seat.
seat? That's good. You have the S. So don't ever forget the T. Next.
Seat.
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 Skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Skateboard. So about this one, the D, skateboard. Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Is a D. Skateboard. Yes.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
And backpack or rucksack. Backpack. Can you say the word backpack? Why? Can you hear me, Steve?
Không nghe máy nó để học đi.
Okay.
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 Okay. So take a seat. Now, can you say the word backpack? Backpack.
Backpack.
That's good. And rucksack. Rucksack.
Rucksack.
Backpack.
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 So how do you pronounce b? Can you pronounce? That's good. That's good. Backpack. So what is the difference with B? How do you pronounce B and P? Can you pronounce this word?
P.
P. That's good. And this one?
B. P.
Yeah.
P.
Okay, so this one is a
Pen.
that's good.
Pen.
Pen, and this is
This is
band.
band.
Okay,
Band.
so just put a name, so it will be much more easier. Band
Band.
and pen.
Pen.
Bicycle.
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 And grass.
Grass.
Okay, that's good.
Grass.
And
Grass.
sunglasses.
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 Okay, last word. I want you to pronounce this word. How do you pronounce this word?
Roof.
One more time.
Roof.
Okay. Roof. No, F. Okay, let's try the F. Let's try this sound first. F. The tip will bite the lip in this way. Okay, can you feel the air? Can you feel the air when you do this? Okay, put your hand in front of your mouth. Put your hand in this way. Can you feel the air? No, it's not that. Okay, for example, when I put the paper, it will move.
Okay.
Okay, so can you pronounce the F? No, F. No, sorry, we don't say in a word. We say you only hear the sound. Oh, that's too loud. Okay, let's start one more time. Roof. Okay, just roof. Roof and Roof.
Roof.
Roof. Okay, faster. Do it faster. Roof.
Roof.
Okay, that's good. Can you? Do you want to do this? You want to do this like this? The piece. Okay, that's good. Excellent. Okay, now let's move to next one. Oh, before we move to the next slide, can you read one more time? Can you read one more time? I want to listen.
Air on
Okay, first word we have sky.
sky.
So I want to
Sky.
listen all the words. Listen all the words. Then if you read it right, he will get a tooth. Okay, you will get a tooth if you finish all the vocabularies. Okay, let's start.
Okay. Sky.
Good. And
Feet.
seat,
Skateboard.
skateboard,
Backpack.
backpack.
Bicycle.
Good.
Grass.
Grass,
Sunglasses.
sunglasses. Okay, last word. I want to listen to this word very much.
Roof.
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 Roof. Roof.
Okay. You hear the sound, you hear the air come from, the air come from here, Okay, one more time, and he will on a tube.
Roof.
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 Okay, that's better. Okay, so he will get a tube right here. Thank you. All right. Okay. Roof. Okay.
Roof.
Now, do you know anything about grammar? Can you tell me something about grammar?
Present
Okay.
simple.
And
Present
present,
continue.
present continuous. Okay. Now, can you make an example with present simple?
Present simple. She. I study with my friend.
I study with
My friend.
friend. That's good. Can you make an example start with he?
He wears blue t-shirt.
Wow, he wear. Okay, let me put it here. He wear with. Is it right?
He wears.
Okay. So he wears. Right?
Yes, he wears.
That's good. So you earn another tooth for him. Okay. So he has 3 now. All right.
Okay.
So can you make a sentence that he doesn't, I know, like you make an opposite sentence with do's and does, the negative, like this.
Okay.
Do,
Does he like play badminton?
does he like play badminton? That's right. That is a question. A question. That one is a question. So we have a positive and negative. Negative, we will use do and der. Can you use do and does? So when can we use do and when can we use der?
When you have question. When you have question, you want to question her or she.
Okay, so for example, I have, okay, he had 2 cars. So I want to say that he have no cars. How can you say that he has no cars? In a simple,
He has a small car.
no. So it, okay, I will make an example that he doesn't wear a t-shirt. It's a
He does negative.
yeah, it's a negative form when we want to say this. No, he doesn't wear a t-shirt. So this is negative. Okay, can you make one more example with the duck? Can you make an example with a duck?
Negative.
Yes, with negative. Like the duck.
Duck doesn't like meat.
Okay, dog. Dog. Okay, only one dog. Dog
Dog
doesn't
doesn't like meat.
Wow, are you sure dog doesn't like meat?
No, duck.
Ah, duck. Oh, sorry, duck. Oh, I thought you want to make duck. Okay, duck doesn't like meat. Yes, that's right. So what he eat? What he eats? Do you know what he eats?
They eat fish. They eat fish.
They eat fish. Okay. All right. So now, can you make a question? An example with a question. With he.
Does he like wear black t-shirt?
Does he like wear black shirt? Do you think it's a right question to ask? Does he like wear black t-shirt? Okay. Now can you look at the question one more time and tell me, is it correct?
Is not correct.
So can you tell me what doesn't correct, what is not correct about this sentence?
Because the D of the door is not big.
Oh, it's not capital. That's good. I'm sorry. Okay, let's move to another mistake. I want you to pick up. There is another mistake. And you will earn another tip for him. So tonight. Okay. Can you tell me what is another mistake? Okay, so you have 5 seconds. 5 seconds to tell me the answer. To tell me the mistake. 5, 4, 3.
Not have like.
Okay, so we don't use like. That's absolutely correct. Okay, first I'll give him a tooth. And later I will tell you why you can or cannot use like. Okay, you also can use like in this. Like, does he like wearing a black t-shirt? If you yes, but if you don't want to use like, you can just leave it. And does he wear black t-shirt? All right, that's good. And you do remember the grammar. So now let's look at the form and the sentence. sorry. Okay. Clear all these things before we move to. Okay, this is present simple. Steve, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, so now look at the present simple form. You will see that we will use this is S. S for
S for S.
S for subject. Subject is like, okay, and I will show you what is subject. Like he or duck, they are subjects. Like he or yes, subject is a person you want to say or the thing you want to say. Okay, can you make an example with another example?
Example with a duck.
Not necessary, anything you like to tell to show me that you understand what is subject.
Okay. She likes playing football.
That's good, excellent. So you do understand subject. And V for do you notice there is a S and ES here? So V is
Yeah.
okay. So in school, we often teach S plus V, so we can form a sentence. A V is verb. Verb. V is a verb. So can you tell me what is a verb?
Verb is S and ES.
Yes, S and ES. When you want to put in, we want to add in the verb, but the verb is an action. Is an action. Verb is an action. That what you do, action. Verb is an action of what you do. For example, I eat, I drink, and eat is a
Drink.
verb. Okay, can you make an example with have a verb in a sentence? Just an example that you like.
Okay. She plays soccer.
So tell me where is a verb?
Plays. Play.
Good. Yes, play is a verb. Absolutely. So you're doing really good job today. And to be EMR, when do you use EMR? When do you use EMR? Here.
When have
Like, okay, I'll make one example so you know, you will understand it easier. Like, I am 10 years old. 10 years old. See, so we need.
I think when you use this, when you talk about your trials.
Yes, your child, but I mean we can talk like I am.
Talk about yourself. Talk about yourself.
That's you get the point that I am fine. I am fine. So there will be no verb in this sentence. That's why you have to add in EMR. Like he. How do you make a sentence with if he is with he? For example, he is doing something like
He is 20 years old.
he. No, so we don't use we don't use there's no he's 20 years old. He's okay, he's 20
He's 20 years old.
years old. That's right, he's 20 years old. So when there is no verb, like for she plays
She plays badminton.
Yes, she play badminton. So there is a verb. Play is a verb. So we don't have to use M, E, R. But there is no verb. You may need to use E and R. That's why when you say, I'm
Okay.
fine, I'm good. When someone
I'm
asks,
good.
yes, I'm good, or I'm excellent.
I'm
Alright,
excellent.
that's good. Okay, so let's subject with don't and doesn't. So this is a verb. What is this verb? When you use don't and doesn't, this is a negative form.
Okay.
So which means when you use this one, can I? Okay, can I say does she? Oh, sorry, I put a capital. Does she play football? Can I put in this way? Is this a correct sentence? A question? Correct question to ask? Can you find a mistake in this sentence?
Yes.
So tell me what is the mistake?
Play. Not have S.
Yes, it doesn't have an S. That's good. That's good. You understand most of it. So it's also same with to be and not. Oh, no, it doesn't.
Not ES or S.
Yes. Okay, let's move to present continuous.
Okay.
But unfortunately, our time is up. Can I have a moment to talk to your mom? Oh, okay. Before that, I want to ask, how do you feel about the lesson? Do you enjoy the lesson?
Mm,
Do you want
so.
him? Hmm? Can you hear me?
So.
So. Mhm. So. Okay. Okay. Can you talk to your? Okay. Can I talk to your mom? Okay. Before we finish, how would you say instead of goodbye? What can you say instead of goodbye?
Okay.
Can you say something different like bye or see you tomorrow? See you later.
See you later.
See you later. Can I talk to your mom, please?
See you later. Goodbye.
Can I talk to your mom?
Oh, I understand.
Oh, you understand how? Why don't you do this? One more time.
Yes, I
One more
know.
time. One more time. One more time. Just put your hand. Let's go.
No,
Please.
I want to study
Oh, you want to
first,
study?
and I want to end.
Okay. But can I talk to your mom?
Okay.